This is PegaProx. The multi-cluster control plane Proxmox never shipped. Dozens of Proxmox clusters and xcp-ng pools in one dashboard, cross-cluster live migrations, and the site says it in the headline, no price tag, no paid tier, no asterisk. Here's the context. When Broadcom detonated VMware licensing, everyone fled to Proxmox and immediately missed vCenter. This project is the answer. It's 6 months old and it's moving scary fast. Stick around for how a 3-person team ships at this pace because their answer is going to be controversial. The velocity here is genuinely unusual. First commit, January 2026. Since then, 50 releases, roughly 2 every week, 1,383 stars, and commits pushed yesterday. Release notes read like a bigger team's roadmap. Starwind shared storage, snapshot schedules, replication, security hardening. Whatever you think of a project this young, nobody gets to call it abandoned. Behind it, a 3-person core team. The 2 leads are nearly tied at 280 and 269 commits, and the contributor list includes Gyptazi, a name Proxmox homelabbers know from the ProxLB load balancer. There's no company here. The project runs entirely on sponsorships, an open collective plus corporate sponsors from Swiss and German infrastructure shops, and in their words, every euro keeps the lights on. Here's the actual product. Every cluster in a unified sidebar, live metrics for every node, VMs and containers across all your sites in one view. Start, stop, migrate, snapshot without SSH hopping between cluster web UIs. And it ships 2 complete interface styles, a dense corporate layout for the ops floor and a modern one for everyone else. It's the view Proxmox admins have been faking with 15 browser tabs. Install is one command on any Debian box, the deploy script from the repo, piped to bash. If curl pipe bash makes you twitch, good instinct. There's also a pre-built VM image and an LXC container template. It comes up on port 5000 with no default credentials. Your first visit runs a setup wizard where you create the admin account with optional 2-factor. Then settings, clusters, paste your Proxmox host, and the sidebar starts filling up. And it's not just homelab toys. This testimonial on their site comes from an industrial IT engineer running 21 clusters and 79 nodes under PegaProx. Central overview across all clusters. Structured maintenance workflows, rolling updates without downtime chaos. His summary is the best pitch the project has. We move from I navigate my infrastructure to I pilot it. The feature depth is where it stops looking like a weekend dashboard. Compliance dashboards map your environment against ISO 27001, NIS2, BSI IT Grundschutz, and CMMC, and export auditor-ready PDFs. FinOps tracking puts a monthly cost on every VM, flags the top spenders, and even estimates carbon footprint. And access control goes down to the single VM with web auth and hardware keys, LDAP, OIDC, and SOML for the enterprise crowd. Then the features aim straight at the Exodus. An ESXi migration wizard walks VMware refugees across, with VertiIO drivers pre-staged so guests boot on the other side. Cross-cluster migrations run with automatic resource checks. There are disaster recovery drills you can actually schedule, snapshot schedules, rolling cluster updates, and a plugin marketplace growing alongside the core. That's the vCenter feature set rebuilt in the open. How it stacks up. vCenter is the gold standard, and it's now locked behind Broadcom's per-core licensing for VMware hosts only. Stock Proxmox gives you a great UI for one cluster at a time. Proxmox is building its own data center manager, but it's still early days. PegaProx is the only one shipping today that does multi-cluster Proxmox plus xcp-ng side by side, with compliance and cost tracking built in for exactly €0. That's a real gap, and it walked straight into it. Quick health check on the numbers. 1,383 stars and 97 forks in 6 months, 50 releases and just 27 open issues, which for this release pace means they're actually triaging. Security posture is unusually transparent for a young project. Daily scans from 2 independent tools with the full audit reports published publicly, not summarized in a marketing bullet. Now the fine print, including the answer I promised. How do 3 people ship 50 releases in 6 months? They openly practice AI-assisted development, and before you close the tab, hear the rest. Every change is human reviewed, and they back it with daily security scanning and public audit reports. That's more security transparency than most handwritten projects offer, and I'd rather have the disclosure than the pretense. The other caveats, it's beta. version 0.9. So expect rough edges and fast-moving config. The license is AGPL 3.0. Free for any use, including commercial, with copyleft obligations only if you modify and redistribute or serve it. And sustainability rests on sponsorships, so if it saves your team hours, the collective is where that gratitude belongs. If you're running more than one Proxmox cluster or plotting your escape from Broadcom's invoice, PegaProx is the most complete free answer shipping right now, and the pace suggests it's only getting deeper. The repo, docs, and open collective are linked in the description. Start it, spin up the LXC template, and tell me in the comments how many clusters you're hurting. I want to know who beats 21. Subscribe for weekly finds like this one.